I think so far I have found 7 of these um, jet engines from Thomas and the Jet Engine. Let me see. Yeah, it's working. It's working. Yeah. When was this produced? I think it was 2005. Yes, 2005. And it's clean. I think I already have posted one of those complete set. I'm gonna post. I'm gonna put this for sale on eBay too. Now, Wooden Railway found these garbage trucks. But let me focus on. Yeah, I've been finding a lot. So we have this Hiro. Does not have the decals. So let me see if I can put some. And here are the decals for Hiro, and I think yeah, for Black James. Yeah, it's been a long time. Let me see. I need to clean. It's been a long time since the last time I printed those decals. I no longer make. I still have like a bunch of decals for my models. I am not selling anymore for now. There is a lot of things that I do. I barely have time to do more. Oh, look at that, beautiful. So that's one of the reasons I stopped making those decals, because I gotta do this, I gotta do that, and you can't be one man band doing everything. Yeah, that is beautiful. Nice. I don't know if I should replace this or not. Let me see. Maybe not. So I didn't like the edges, so I decided just to replace the decal. Yeah, it's much better. Okay, now. Yeah, it's been a long time since I stopped making these decals, and also fix and repair. Oh, you need to be very careful. Yeah, like I said, it's been a long time. You need to know how to align the decals. These decals are, if you don't have the right position, they will rip off if you don't know how to handle it. But like I say, I no longer sell these decals. If you want to find, you can buy them decals from another seller on eBay. He's selling for a set of decals for $8, $7 plus shipping. Just one set of decals. I remember I used to sell the whole page for $5, but nobody wanted to buy it. So I stopped making those decals. So I decided, you know what, the seller is selling for one single set, and I used to put 7 sets for $5. And unfortunately, I was not lucky. People rather buy expensive, so it's another reason I stopped, selling those. Okay, this is good, and it's running, working. See, I don't know if I'm gonna have time to post it later today anyway, so maybe it's gonna be ready for tomorrow. Okay, this fireworks car, it seems that it's not working. It's on. Maybe the batteries are dead. These are really hard to find. I mean, you find just a few from time to time, but not a lot. You can see a little corrosion. No, it's just the battery. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I bought long time ago batteries. I don't know if they're drained up already or no. I have no clue if they work. I mean, I bought this set of batteries. I think 100 batteries, the pack, about 7 years ago. Yeah, about 7 years ago, I remember I bought them. Never. I used few, but I focus on Trackmaster. So there is no guarantee that the batteries might have charged at this time. Yeah, it's in on. Oh, it's working. Cool. See that? Beautiful. Okay, I got another model to post to put it on eBay. Fireworks. Nice. Okay, so working on a project, I 3D printed some faces and stick them to these troublesome trucks, custom models. And now you can go check on my eBay store. Super glued. I made a few of these. You know, the intention was for my use, but I no longer have a use for them. So I'm gonna, yeah, they are live on eBay. It takes time to, you know, put them in the on each model. They do look really better than the sticker paper models, you know. So I mix a lot of cars. I know it might look pricey for you guys, but these are unique units. If you want to, like I said before, yeah, I don't know if I'm going to continue mentioning, but you can also check my, you can send me a message if you want combination and invoice, and you know, we give you a big discount instead of eBay. You know, here's the thing, eBay, it's killing me, it's killing everybody, you know. It's not worth it, eBay, actually. I don't know how come I did not thought of you know, make a kind of invoice. And someone ordered something, he did ask me for an invoice. I sent him few products that works better, and he saved a lot. But anyways, here we have a lot of these custom models. You know, this is super glued. They look really good. Yeah, so I have a few of these models that I made for myself. I'm going to make I mean, they are live on eBay. I know it's pricey, but even you can find one of these single cars from other sellers for $5 plus shipping, or even expensive. Now if you are looking for a box car, they selling sold, I mean, I've seen some of those sold for $7, not with the face, a 3D printed face, neither with the, you know what, yeah, I saw one of these guys selling with the sticker paper face. He sold it for $12 plus shipping. And I've seen some of those models that he sells. He's selling for $14. You can check on eBay sold items. Yeah, he's selling for $14, $12, $13, and this is less than that. Just in case if you are interested, you know. Yes, I have them already on eBay. I have a lot of these. Yeah, it wasn't intended for sale. This was for some sort of you know, I tried to make some running sessions with these models. I don't know how many so far I have, but I have a lot of these. Here's another box car. Cool. I think 3D faces are better than just you know, paper face. Like I say, if you really want, I can send you an invoice, or even I can combine a discount on eBay. You know, so you can save a lot. Yeah.